welcome back to Wild Fork Foods. I'm so excited to be back here in our family meal recipe. Today I'm going to be making some delicious Asian maple syrup chicken drumsticks. I'm using our Never Ever chicken drumstick. These are bone-in, skin-on. Never Ever means never hormones, never antibiotics. They're also individually quick frozen, which means you can take out what you need and store the rest. I'm also going to be using some of our ready-to-eat sides, and these are done sous vide style. You're going to see they are delicious. My daughter loves these. They are the fingerling potatoes with thyme springs and also the roasted cauliflower with salt and pepper. Let me walk you through the list of ingredients for the marinade. Short and sweet. You're going to need a bunch of soy sauce. This is going to be your salt. You're also going to need some lemon juice for that citrus that I love in any Asian recipe. Some green onion for garnishing right at the end. Olive oil just to balance out your flavors. For sweetness, I'm going to use some maple syrup, which is going to caramelize right on top of our drumsticks, and some honey for that sugar that every recipe needs. And I'm also gonna use some garlic and ginger. These you can find at the store. They're just perfect. They're frozen, super convenient. Pop some out, leave the rest for next time. And for a spice kick, this is totally optional. I'm using some sriracha. My kid loves this, but if you want to skip it, that's fine. So let's go ahead and get started. So first goes my soy sauce. I'm gonna throw in my 3 garlic, 3 ginger cubes, my olive oil, my honey. This is about half a cup of honey, my maple syrup, my sriracha, and last but not least, my lemon juice. Okay, so all we have left to do here is just give it a quick mix. This is when you taste your marinade. Perfect. Just going to take out all of my drumsticks. Gonna get my big knife, huge knife. All right, so I have all my drumsticks in my bowl with my marinade, and all I'm gonna do is just use your hands to do this. It's making sure that all of those openings we created with our knife on the drumstick are getting enough of that marinade. Okay, so all I have here is my baking sheet. I'm just gonna add in all of my drumsticks, skin side up, because these are going to caramelize and get crispy. Mine fit just perfect, and I'm just gonna grab the rest of my marinade. It may look like a lot, but trust me, it's perfect. This will bubble up, caramelize, and make your chicken drumsticks delicious and crispy. Right into the oven, 30 to 35 minutes. Get a spoon every 10 minutes during those 30 to 35 minutes and just pour some of that marinade on top of your drumsticks. Every 10 minutes, that's going to help it caramelize faster. Time to make our side. Bring a pot with water to boil. I'm going to reduce this to low heat just to simmer. Now these take between 10 and maybe 15 minutes each. So I'm just gonna put them both inside, and this is kind of sous vide style cooking. Look at these beauties. They are caramelized. They're going to be juicy and tender in the inside. I'm going to go ahead, remove these, plate them, and I'll show you what I do last, and then of course, we'll taste them. So I plated my drumsticks, and now I'm just gonna get some of that marinade, caramelized, delicious marinade. Before we get into our delicious sides, I'm gonna cut my green onion. I'm just gonna sprinkle some of these. Okay, so exciting part, I'm gonna open up my sides. They simmered, they're warm, they're ready. Here's my roasted cauliflower. They both smell great. The potatoes are just so delicious. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of that olive oil, give it a quick mix, and that's it. You don't have to do much to these. Okay, so time to dig in. I'm just gonna grab 1 potato, a little bit of that cauliflower, and a nice drumstick. I'm going right for this one. You see that just falls off the bone. The best part of these drumsticks is the flavor. Win. Mic drop. So delicious. I'm just gonna keep eating. I can't stop now. Please let us know if you make this at home. Tag us if you do. Leave us a comment below and subscribe so you don't miss any of these recipes. See you next time. Bye-bye.